Hello everyone, I hope you all are fine. Now we are going to start with organic chemistry. Now what is organic chemistry? Organic word refers to natural. So study of natural compounds or the compounds of carbon, their study is known as organic chemistry. Not only carbon, along with carbon, compounds which are prepared by using carbon, that is derivatives of carbon which are derived from carbon, their study also is known as organic chemistry. And carbon derivatives, they are known as organic compounds. Now organic compounds, before studying them, we need to know about carbon. Carbon, we know it is a non-metal having atomic number 6 and electronic configuration 2 4. So 4 is valency because 4 valence electrons are there and it needs to get 4 more electrons. So due to 4 valency, it is known as tetravalent. This is the first property of carbon. Second one, carbon has a unique tendency, ability to form long chain carbon units. It could be a large number. So due to this property, carbon forms large number of compounds and this property is known as catenation, ability to form long chain units. So due to tetravalent nature and due to catenation, carbon forms large number of organic compounds. Hence these organic compounds, they are studied in a separate branch which we call as organic chemistry. Now carbon, when it combines with hydrogen, it forms hydrocarbon. So generally the study of carbon or hydrocarbons is considered in organic chemistry. Hydrocarbons, they are classified into different types. They are of various kinds like alkanes, alkenes, alkynes, alcohol, aldehyde, ketone, carboxylic acid, ester, ether and so on. So one by one we will discuss. But before this one, we need to know that the basic type of classification, basic type of organic compounds. So generally organic compounds, they are divided into two separate types, two separate branches. Now organic compounds, that is hydrocarbons, they are classified into two different branches. First one is known as aliphatic or open chain compounds. Another one, they are known as cyclic or closed chain compounds. Now aliphatic and or open chain compounds, they are further of two types. One are known as saturated, second type is known as unsaturated compounds. Similarly, cyclic or closed chain compounds, they are of two types, that is alicyclic and second one, it is known as aromatic. Now saturated compounds, they are only of one type. They are known as alkanes and they consist carbon-carbon single bond. Unsaturated ones, they are of two types further. First one, they are known as alkenes and second one, they are known as alkynes. Alkenes contain carbon-carbon double bond and alkynes, they contain carbon-carbon triple bond. While alicyclic compounds, they are similar to this one, alkanes, or similar to aliphatic or open chain compounds, but in them first carbon atom, it is joined to another one, that is first, second, third, fourth. First one is joined to the terminal one, to the last one. So they are cyclic in nature. And aromatic compounds, they are having special fragrance, hence their name, and they contain the carbon atoms joined by one another by means of single, double, single bonds, that is their single and double bonds, they are adjacent to one another, like here single, double, then again single, then double, then single, then again that is double, but these are also again in the same category, that is the aromatic ones. Now alkenes and alkynes separately we can study here. Alkenes are compounds containing carbon-carbon single bond. Alkenes are compounds containing carbon-carbon double bond. And alkynes, they contain carbon-carbon triple bond. Now alkenes, they are having general formula, that is CnH2n plus 2. They are having general formula CnH2n, and alkynes, they are having general formula CnH2n minus 2. Here in all these different formulas, N is number of carbon atoms. So if we substitute any number, we can get the respective hydrocarbon, either it is alkane, alkene or alkyne. Like here if I substitute N is equal to 1, so you can get here C1H21 plus 2, that is CH4. So CH4, it is the simplest hydrocarbon. Here N is equal to 1 cannot be substituted, because we know if we substitute N is equal to 1, so we will get CH2. So here in the compound CH2, the valency of hydrocarbon, that is carbon, not hydrocarbon, carbon, that is not satisfied, it is not completed. Carbon forms 4 covalent bonds. Here only 2 hydrogen atoms are available. So 2 hydrogen atoms, this compound does not exist in nature. So always here you can substitute N is equal to 2. So you will get C2H2 into 2, that is C2H4. So C2H4, that is the compound containing carbon-carbon double bond, and it is the simplest alkene. After that, the next one also you can substitute N is equal to 2, because N is equal to 1 not satisfied also in this case. Reason I had told, due to the reason that this particular valency is not satisfied here. So here it is C2H4 minus 2, that is C2H2. So it is like this way, the compound. Okay, after that it is these compounds, they are known as saturated compounds, alkanes. Why they are known as saturated compounds? The reason is their carbon atoms, their valency is always completed, the valency is always satisfied. These two, they are known as unsaturated, because although their valency is satisfied by double and triple bonds, but more substituents, they can be added from outside. Any number of hydrogen atoms, they can be added and they can be converted to alkanes, or alkynes, they can be converted back to alkenes. So that's why they are known as unsaturated, and alkanes, they are known as saturated compounds.